Following on from the last video, you learned how to make the rectangle version of the half Sunburst Granny Square. This video we'll be looking at the triangle version. So let's get started. I'm using Stylecraft Special DK in pistachio with a 4mm hook, but I recommend you use a 4.5. We're going to start with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 5. After you chain 5, we're going to slip stitch into the first chain to make a little circle. I'm going to take that tail out the way. And then we're going to chain 1. Round 1, we're going to make a US single, UK double, and then chain 1. Keep that chain loose because we're going to start round 2 in that chain, so we don't want to be fiddling around. We're now going to make 8 stitches. We're going to make 8 US doubles or UK trebles. After you've made your 8 stitches, just count to check. So you should have 9, including that starting stitch we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you've got 9 stitches, we're going to cut and tie the yarn. So I'm going to chain 2 and then cut the yarn. And pull the hook out. We're then going to pinch those chains tight. So just push that down. And that's how your work should look at the end of round 1. For round 2, I'm using Stylecraft Special DK acrylic yarn in toy. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And then to start round 2, we're going to make a standing US double, UK treble. So we're going to yarn over once and then hold those 2 loops on your hook. Yeah, we're going to go into that first stitch we made in round 1. So that will be the chain. Pull the yarn through. And you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then you might want to tighten up that first stitch. So we're now going to chain 1. And then in each of the next 7 stitches, we're going to make a puff stitch, a 3 loop puff stitch. So we'll yarn over, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through. That's once. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through. That's twice. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through 3 times. You should have 7 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Yeah, and then chain 1. And we're going to repeat till we've got 7 puff stitches. So into the next stitch, make another puff stitch, 3 loop puff stitch. and chain 1. So if you're making along, you can press pause and I'll see you at the end of the round. So when we get to the end of round 2, we have our starting stitch and then 7 puff stitches, and I've chained 1, and we're now going to make a US double, UK treble into that last stitch. And we can now cut and tie the yarn. And that's how your work should look at the end of round 2. So for round 3, I'm using Stylecraft Special DK in Pale Rose. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And just like the last round, we're going to start with a standing stitch. So yarn over, we're going to be making a US double, UK treble. So hold your knot in place, and we're going to go into that first stitch we made. Pull the yarn through, and we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through. You'll see I'm pinching everything there just to try and keep it all in place. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You should have 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there's our standing US double, UK treble. We're then going to chain 1. So we're now going to start our repeat. We're going to be making 4 stitch clusters using US doubles, UK trebles. So I'll make the first one with you. We're going to yarn over, go into the chain 1 space, pull the yarn through. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the space, pull the yarn through. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the space, pull the yarn through. You should have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 4 loops left on your hook. We're going to yarn over, go into the space again, pull the yarn through. You'll have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you will have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Chain 2. And we're going to repeat into each of those chain 1 spaces from round 2 until we get to the last one. So if you're making along, you can press pause and we can finish the round together. So at the end of round 3, you should have a starting stitch with chain 1, and then you've got 8 clusters. There's a chain 2 space between each one, and then on our last one we're just going to chain 1, and then we're going to make a US double, UK treble into that last stitch. And that's the end of round 3. So you can cut and tie your yarn here if you're changing colour. And there's your work at the end of round 3. So for round 4, we're going to finish off now and turn our circle into half of a square. So we're starting in the corner, which means we need a really big stitch to start, and we're going to start with a standing stitch again, this time yarning over 3 times. If that's too fiddly, then you can chain 3 or 4 to get that height instead. Yeah. So we are going to start with a slip knot. I'm using Stylecraft Special DK in Meadow. So like I said, we're going to yarn over 3 times. Yeah, in US terms we're making a double treble, and in UK terms we're making a treble treble, I guess. So we're going to go into that first stitch and pull the yarn through, and we should have 5 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and we'll have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Yeah, we're then going to chain 1, and we are going to make 3 US trebles, UK double trebles into that chain 1 space. After you've made those 3 stitches, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to hop across to the next chain 2 space. We're going to make 3 US doubles, UK trebles, and chain 1. We're then going to hop across into the next chain 2 space, and we're going to make 3 half US doubles, half UK trebles. Chain 1. Into the next space we make 3 US doubles, UK trebles. And we're now at the corner. So here we're going to make 3 US trebles, UK double trebles, we then chain 3 to make the corner, and into the same space we make 3 more US trebles, UK double trebles. Chain 1. Into the next space we make 3 US doubles, UK trebles, chain 1. Into the next space we make 3 US half doubles, UK half trebles. Chain 1. Into the next space make 3 US doubles, UK trebles. Chain 1. We're now going to make our half corner into the last chain 1 space. So we're going to make 3 US trebles, UK double trebles, chain 1, and we're going to make that big stitch again. So we're going to yarn over 3 times and into that last stitch. So that's a US double treble, UK I think treble treble. And there we go. That's our half square triangle version. Let me just chain 2 and cut my yarn. And you may want to block that, weave in all your ends. Just going to tighten that up, that first stitch. There we go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.